Do you get the picture? Okay, dear.
I did it. Ah!
You better?
Get it worked.
Okay. Don't say that.
That's so cute. I'm sure your husband goes to colonoscopy.